this. It's amazing. The smell. Woo! Asam Pedas. Asam Pedas. Asam Pedas. That's how you do it. Hey, what's up guys? Akila here, back again with another cheap, fast and nutritious Asian meal prep video. Today I am making a healthier rendition of our popular Asam Pedas. It's really popularized in the Malay culture. I have tried to swap out some of the ingredients, but let's get started. Alright, so what we want to try and do first is to process some of the base ingredients. And today I am actually using some onions, garlic, and also candlenuts. So the thing about candlenuts is that it acts as like a thickener. So when you actually have a candlenut, it thickens the sauce a little bit. If you don't actually have candlenuts, you can also use macadamia nuts and cashew nuts. Actually, any kind of like oily nuts help. The oil, the natural occurring oil, will help with the thickening of the sauce. So let's get started with that. So what we want to try and do first is to add in the onion and garlic and candle nuts right inside my food processor. I'm gonna also add in some chili, so some dried chilies right here. I am using about 50 grams to be honest. It's a lot of chili, but I love it spicy. I'll leave it up to you how much you actually want to use. So a little bit of water as well, so just to act as a base. Alright, so blending it up and done. Ooh, look at that. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So this is the base ingredient, so we're going to be using this as a base. So we're going to start cooking our Asam Pedas. Pot right here. I'm just going to set the pan on medium high, okay, and add in some oil. So I've only got like 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm not using a lot of oil in this dish, to be honest. The reason being is because I'm using salmon, which has naturally occurring oils in it as well. So no oil needed, to be honest. Just trying to get a little bit more of lesser calories in this Asam Pedas. Just gonna add this one in right here. Ooh, love it. Some lemongrass as well. This, it's amazing. The smell. Woo! Asam Pedas. Asam Pedas. Asam Pedas. That's how you do it. Alright, so we're just gonna sort of like let the smell come up and let it cook, okay? So let the base ingredients cook, okay? So you need some time right here. Probably about 3 to 4 minutes to be honest. So I'm just gonna clean up. Alright, so I'm just gonna add in some turmeric into the pot as well. Just about 1 teaspoon of this. Mix it thoroughly. So as you can see guys, okay, I'm not using much oil. So it's not gonna have that oily kind of separation between the base ingredients and the oil. So that's normal, okay? That's totally fine. So once you put the turmeric in, we're gonna add in the crushed or blended tomatoes. So some tomatoes right here, just gonna add it into the pot, mix it up with the base ingredient. Alright, so mixing it up, and we're gonna add in some water. So how much water you put in is really, I guess you gotta just look at it, and it depends up to you as well, what you wanna do. If you like it thick, then not much water is needed, alright? You don't actually need much water if you want it thick. Otherwise, I'm using at least about 400 mils of water in this, so just letting it cook. So once it's slightly boiled, okay guys, we're gonna actually add in our tamarind. And what I have here is actually quite a bit of tamarind. So The thing about tamarind is that it's sort of like a sour taste, which is why it's called asam. So asam pedas, asam just simply means, literal translation, sour. So I'm just gonna add in a bit of the tamarind. Just wanna make sure that you remove the seed. So tamarind pulp only, okay? So just add it in. Next thing, we are gonna add in our salmon. So I've used salmon as my protein source. You can definitely use just any kind of fish, or some people I know even add in some chicken or beef, but I'm using salmon today, okay? So we're just gonna add in our salmon into this. Alright, stir it up gently. Lady's finger! So, the thing about this is that I've used tomatoes as well, and we've got some lady's fingers or okra. Alright, for those Americans or North Americans who's watching this, okra is good. I love the sauce thick, and it actually makes a lot of sense, especially if you're keeping this for meal prep. So just let it stir it up. And finally, we're just gonna add in some lime leaves. So kaffir lime leaves. A little bit of salt. Just about a pinch. Alright, I'm adding in a bit more water, guys, and then we're gonna just cover it up. And just let it boil. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do the taste test. So, let's try this out. Let's do this. Oh, super yum. Alright, so let's build our meals. Got my rice, so just using brown basmati rice. Just gonna put one right here. It's about half cup of rice. That's as good as it is for my macros. Eat whatever that you need, okay? Oh, amazing. Right here. Ta-da! Cheap, fast, nutritious Asian meal, a healthy rendition of my Asam Pedas. Go and try this one out, guys.